What's up, Baywatchers? So today we're gonna unbox a welcome box
from Amazon.
Yep.
So it's a baby register. Baby.
Yeah, it's a. They call it free, but you have to spend like $10.
Are you trying to like bash Amazon right
No, I'm not. Amazon is cool, but I don't like how they treat their employees. I wouldn't know,
babe,
but I've heard.
Just be quiet. Cut this out.
Okay, so this is a baby registry box from Amazon, like we said, and I guess there's like 35 or 45
dollars worth of like stuff from Amazon, like baby stuff. So we're just gonna open it, and you guys are gonna be with us.
Yeah, so let's get into it.
Literally, guys, he was waiting for this the whole day, and it's
Not
like
even you were.
What time is it?
I wasn't even tripping.
It's 8:10 at night, and he was literally at the door waiting for it. And I'm like, it's not coming, it's not coming. So as soon as we got it, we're like, let's share it with you guys. So.
Are you ready? Are you ready?
Sorry, I'm not even looking at the camera.
Are you ready? Okay.
Yeah.
Wait.
Ooh.
What's this say?
It's just a card.
Let me see. Wait. Enjoy these complimentary samples. Okay. Look, it has baby wrapping. You see that, guys?
I don't think they can.
Yeah, it's baby wrapping. Look at the baby wrapping.
Wait. Okay. Oh, can I try the first one?
Yeah.
Okay.
What is it?
So the first one is what are this called again? I know them in Spanish. Se llaman baberos. It's like so when babies drool.
What is this? A bib?
A bib. Yeah.
It's a bib.
It's a bib. It's with sheets, right? Sheep.
And then this one is something called water wipes. It's wipes.
Something called, it's just...
Look, and it says it has free coupons for $1 off. This is wipes. Water wipes.
Ooh, they feel good.
I know.
Water wipes.
Okay.
Can you guys see? I don't know.
You get the next one.
Ooh, it's like a bag for like diapers and stuff. Let me open it. This is so cool. I didn't even know.
Does it have diapers inside?
I don't know.
Check.
Oh, it's a little bag.
For diapers.
It's a blue little bag.
Check if it has diapers inside.
Well, it could be for anything actually.
What's inside? What is that?
Ooh, more wipes.
They're the same? Oh, no, they're Pampers.
No, they're different. No, those are
Pamper wipes.
And then a diaper. Oh, baby newborn diaper.
Just one diaper.
Babe. And then a bunch of coupons. Actually, baby soap.
Okay, baby
Just
soap.
kidding. Sorry. And then baby soap. Oh. And these are a bunch of coupons that they give you with it. And I think this is it.
And then this is a swaddle for a baby. This is a baby swaddle. Like when they're born, you swaddle them up.
Each one is saying swaddle.
No, this is a swaddle.
Oh yeah, it
This
says it in the back.
Or it can be used as a stroller cover, it says. Or a play mat.
This is so cool. I
Or a
didn't know they would
sunshade.
give things like this. This is so cool. Should we open it?
No, not right now.
Okay.
Wait for her.
It's a breathable, super soft cotton blanket. Honestly, I didn't really use this one with my newborn. My newborn. The first baby, Abel. But, because he never liked it, huh? We always tried, and he would always be like, so.
Yeah.
It's a baby care you can trust.
What is that?
I'm just kidding. I don't know. Goodness has arrived. It doesn't say, so I'm just gonna open it.
Let me see. I want to
Babe,
see.
no, it's my turn.
Okay, but before you open it, I just want to see what's inside. Let me see.
It's like a baby care kit.
Okay, yeah. Okay.
It's like a baby care kit. You guys can see. It's like this.
Yeah, they can see. Don't worry about it.
And then you open it. Oh, look, they're diapers. They're like dragon. No.
Owl.
Like owl.
Owl diapers.
It comes with that. Coupons. And more wipes. So I guess they're giving us different brands, right?
Yeah, to see what we like or something. Okay, and this is Huggies Little Snugglers. It says free samples inside, includes 2 Huggies Little Snugglers diapers.
Also more diapers. And obviously wipes. Huggies. And then...
And here is 2 diapers, size 1, from another brand called the Mama Bear. I forgot. I know Amazon has a diaper brand. I think this is their diaper brand.
Oh, we can try it out.
Yeah, this is Amazon's diaper brand. And
It's
it has
called
bears.
Mama Bear.
It has bears on it.
They feel soft. But this is a little tiny bottle from
It's a Philips
Avent.
Avent
Bottle.
bottle. What is
This
it?
little sample bottle. It says the most natural way to bottle feed.
And then right here we have 1, 2, 3.
Soap.
Yeah, 3.
Different type of soaps.
Yeah, 3. No, it's the same soap. It's the same soap. It's
But it's a
Dreft.
new brand probably.
No, it's Dreft baby soap. And it's 3 packets for 3 different loads. So we have this.
Yeah,
3,
baby, but there's different types
and
of
then
soap.
you have one in there
Maybe
too, right?
that's a new one.
It's the same brand.
Oh,
I
it's the
thought,
same.
yeah. And then this is a breastfeeding guide, helping mothers breastfeed longer. So I'm not really sure what's in here.
Maybe I want to open it because I'm totally looking forward to breastfeeding this time. Just put them all back. So how many stuff did we get? This worth of $45.
I think it looks like it's around there.
Yeah, helping mothers breastfeed longer. So they give you this thing that is, well, we repeated like 3 times. Breastfeeding guide. So it's a breastfeeding guide. I don't want to open it because with Abel, I only breastfed for 2 months, and till this day I regret it. Like not keep on going. Oh, these are pads like when you're leaking, you know.
Yeah.
So these are like 2 different kinds of the same brand of they're pads. Like if you're leaking or something, you can just use it. There's one during the day and there's one during the night.
I can't figure it out.
Yeah, for new moms, like it's so hard to breastfeed. Well, at least for me, and I've heard a lot of like people that they say they struggle because they're stressed out. They don't know what to do. They're new at it. So I was one of them. I was really stressed out my first pregnancy at the beginning because I didn't know what to do. I didn't have my mom. She would help me, but during the night I didn't. And he would help me too, but he had to work. So like I said, I was stressed out and it started drying up and it was just a mess. So I kind of regret it, like not breastfeeding him. But hopefully with this one, I could keep going and not give up and just try to breastfeed. Breastfeed.
But yeah.
That was it. This is our welcome box by Amazon. Whoever's pregnant, it's a good start.
I feel like this box or like welcome kit for Registry, like I feel like it has been like the best. Like you know how we got one at Babies R Us?
Yeah.
And they just gave us like a bunch of coupons, like hella coupons. And then that maternity store place, they only give you like a bottle, I think.
A bottle and wipes, I think.
Yeah, but then look at this, everything they give you here. They give you wipes and diapers, and the swaddle thing. The swaddle thing I think is like $15, no, or $10.
Oh yeah, they're really expensive.
You know, and then they give you like a good bottle. The other ones are just like a whatever bottle.
Yeah, so I really recommend this. It's like a good start. It's all type of wipes. That way you guys can see which ones are good and which ones are not good. Which ones you guys like the most.
What your preferences are.
Yeah, that was it for this video. Hope you guys like it. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.
And if you are new to this channel, my name is Miguel.
Oh, and my name is Evelyn, and Abel's not here, but Abel's part of this too.
And we're the Bay family, and you guys are Bay watchers.
So, yeah.
So, yeah. Late.